What is going on, everybody? Russell here. Today I'm going to show you how to align the shifter in your manual transmission Golf GTI Mk7. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so my last video I had installed the ECS short throw shift kit, just the front and back for right now, and I put it in, thought everything was great, and I didn't drive it. I didn't adjust the shifter after I put the short throw in. So what I'm going to do today is show you guys exactly how to do that, because I didn't see any other videos on it online, and thinking back, the whole reason I made this channel was to help out other guys with Volkswagens, with GTIs, Mk7 Gti specifically, and a lot of stuff that I looked for online that I needed to see or needed to find and I couldn't find. So I'm going to show you guys real quick how to line this up, and it's going to be super simple. Again, have already taken out the air box. I'm going to take this and switch it back to 40% because I've already done this and I've already aligned the shifter and whatnot, and I feel like I want to go back to the 40%. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to switch this back to the 40% reduction. All right, so I just switched it over. So step one here, let me show you guys, is we're going to take these two springs and we're going to pull them back into their locked position. All right, so the first one is locked back. I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's a quick turn, pull back, and lock it in. I was having some trouble with this one for some reason, but it looks like it just worked really easily. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and push down slightly on the selector itself, and then there's a little pin on the side over here that we're just going to gently push in. So that's the actual thing that's going to lock out the shifter, so that it's not going to be making any changes when we're screwing with it inside. So you push down about halfway and then push this pin the whole way in, and it'll kind of seat itself and lock it in there. Now you don't need this special pin to be able to align the transmission. What I used was a 4mm Allen wrench, and what happens is you got to pull this up first, and then unfortunately I kind of just gave this a little tug and it ripped. It's really soft foam. There's not really any other way for me to do it here. I don't know how. It's like really far in the side, so if you want to try to take the time to do that, probably a good idea, but I don't know, I'm never going to see it. I don't think it's going to affect performance at all. But let me show you guys. So when you pull this up, there is this little finger here. Let's see if I can show you guys. There's this little finger here on the side of the transmission. So all you're going to do is take that little finger, and now the transmission can move freely without it trying to get it in gear. That's the whole point of that little pin. So all I'm going to do now is drop this 4mm in through the top plastic piece, and then move the shifter over to where it needs to be and push it straight down so it's lined up. Alright, so once you do that, all you have to do is come back out here to the transmission, and we're going to go ahead and undo those springs so they lock back in place, and then we're going to push or pull out our little locking pin and then see how it looks. There's that. And then all we're going to do is work out our little pin here, just like that, just a little tiny bit, and then we'll go back inside and make sure that this is all put away. We're going to put this back down, pop it back in place, and then see, everything looks really good. So if you guys are putting this short throw shifter on, make sure you do the adjustment. Make sure you adjust it before you do any long drives. And thanks for watching this, guys. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment, let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see you next time. Peace.